เฮ้ยน้องเดี๋ยวโหลดนั่งนั่ง
So he goes,
Red. Hey. Red.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father help!
Oh, okay.
Is the cactus your best friend?
Ready?
you want to wear a fake nose in your fucking head for like months? There's no food. What are you doing?
Second kucu.
Stop! Donut! He's lost his mind. Oi!
Ui, anh Uan, anh Uan, Uan.
Me.
Соня. Сонь.
She's in! She's in! She's panicking!
Come help her.
Hang on.
more bargains?
No!
Astaghfirullahaladzim, Twixie!
What'd you bring me?
What the hell? Are you a magical cat?
Just an average day. Copper, what are you doing?
Not yet, honey. Probably just needs like 15. Nah, give it like 35 more minutes.
Please stop. Please, I'm trying to work. What is your goal?
This for. Hey! Hey! I got this for. This.
Charles, you do not have to stand here. That's a raincoat.
Look at this shit.
What the fuck? Do a flip!
Yep.
Oh my gosh, buddy. What was that?
You have got to be kidding me. This is a joke, right?
My plan is to sell them all at the county arts fair, leaving money to my grandkids when I die.
Gypsy. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh!
Идеально выполнен элемент.
Bagheera, you're not. She makes a good centerpiece here.
Couldn't have man more.
Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Oh my god!
Esta bruja. ¡Ay! Yo odio cuando hacen eso.
Hello.
Baibona.
Chabón. Esto es un gato, chabón.
But are you petting him? Are you petting him? What? You're gonna tie. Давай, Okay, we'll try and then I'll grab my phone.
Is this what you enjoy? Like, do you feel good?
Не говоря уже о том, что мы потеряли наше с тобой.
Oh my god. You okay, buddy?
C'est pratique, hein?
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
People say to get your cats a concrete block. Just get, oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm so full.
12 seconds later.
What are you doing, you crazy nut? I think his two brain cells are hitting one another.
Freeze the cat. Freeze the cat. Freeze the cat. Freeze the cat.
You're doing great, King.
Oh my. No! Abel, come on! Huh?
I ate all of your food. It's gone. There's nothing left for you.
Блядь!
Sadece karidesleri konuşuyoruz ve güzel bir tereyağında.
Vai.
Why are you sitting like that?
Why are you so concerned? Her eyes.
What are you doing?
How are you?
¡Qué lindo gatito!
Bueno.
Did you fall down between the couches?
Hold on. Oh! No! What the f-
آخه من چه کارم؟
I fucking saw that. What is that?
La.
Stop eating the tree. She does not care. She is just chilling on it.
Go, buddy. Go get it.
Hey. Oh, okay, period. Oh.
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
See, I brought you. I brought you a baby.
Touch. Don't touch me, now.
Şarkı sırasında.
Put your head up, bro. Pick your head up, bro.
Oh God! Oh, I gotta call my dad.
Leila. No estás jugando con la comida.
Come here. Come here.
This is the greed they talked about in the Bible.
Why does it look like my cat?
It's just falling off your scooter.
Oh, don't attack me.
You're not a turkey. Get off my table.
You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
Dennis, you were not on the menu, so oh my god.
No, I need it. Scott, I need it. Get off. Hey. I need it. Hi.
Relax, relax.
Jesus Christ.
Sauce.
Mwah.
Winter. Oh, girls, you poor things. Come on in. Come in the house.
I want you to think about squeezing your bum cheeks, and my cat wants to be involved and go in my sweater.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Right. Why is she being so destructive?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Ngapain? Yo kaget kamu.
Antonio! Antonio!
A cat in a bag.
"痛みを考えろ."
And this one has been eaten through the plastic. And then look at this girl.
I've seen you. What do you want to do? Come out now. You want to come out? Where are you running? Now you're mad. Now you're upset. Oh my goodness. What are you so mad about?
Tá com elasticidade, tá? Tá fresco.
너 20개 내 소시지.
He about to jump, he about to jump. Or she.
You can do it. Yeah.
I had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
Oh god, he's looking at it.
Live just a few hours away in Austin.
Oh, you're stuck. Now you can get out. What you got? What you got? Oh my god.
Ini Kak yang ini yang kasih.
It's Halloween time.
Amor, meu truti-fruti, meu cuti-cuti.
Молодцы. Молодцы.
Okay. All right.
Ludicrous. Honey, the second shelf is too small for your big ass. Ludicrous. Oh, God.
Maybe.
Stadium. That's how you want to feel. Jack Grealish, just like I said to you.
Would you look at this?
I heard something. This is what I walk into.
Oh, yes, that is wrong right here. Yes, it is. What the fuck?
Well, that might have been the entire. She actually found the problem.
Us today. What have you brought us today, Bungo? You brought us bread again. Oh no, it's got onions in it. You've stolen somebody's lunch.
Sorry, I laughed.
John, you are not the father.
I told you.
Mimi? Mimi?
Do you want help? Nope.
What are they doing?
He's right there.
Okay, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, God. There's no one over here. Look. There's no one here. Oh, Dad's getting this video.
I told you many times, don't go up there.
Mama's not a bird. She's not your owl.
What's up?
2 feet. Let's boop them and see what happens.
Hey, dog.
I got to. You got to. Oh, baby.
Already all like this for wet food? Look at them! What?
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
Uy.
Winnie.
Ma'am.
That was incredible.
What are you doing? Tinsley, no! Ew! Listening to this weird meowing, wondering what the hell what's wrong. Coco!
Jatuh. Ya Allah ya Tuhanku, Lily.
Ahlelele ahlelas. Ahlelele ahlelas.
The most complicated position.
You're hanging 10. Président pas. Ah, là.
He's so he's pissed. You're gonna give me a wound on my face before my vacation.
You can't be here. Let go of the light. Let go of the light. Can't be in someone's yard. Oh, bird! You can't be like this.
That is not for you. Oliver. That is not for you.
Stay back. Stay back. I'm allergic to you. Stay back. Stay back. Okay.
I mean, guys, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again, and that's just life. Yeah, so, I mean, that's...
Stop. Stop. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. He's a poor guy. He's just a poor guy.
So what are we grateful for this Thanksgiving? Roscoe, are you grateful for your turkey leg?
Are you mad at me? What'd you hit me with? What'd you hit me with?
My cat drinks way too much water and then wants to play with us before bed. Please listen to this.